Hey everyone, I saw pesto eggs trending on TikTok and I decided to give it a try. I saw some people make it into a fried egg and place it on avocado toast, and others make it into scrambled eggs. I decided to make my pesto eggs into a sandwich. I'm going to show you guys how to make it, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making our pesto. Remove the basil leaves from the stem. You're going to need 2 cups of basil leaves. When you're finished picking the basil leaves, clean them and set them to the side. Next, grate some Parmesan cheese. Now in a food processor, add 2 cups of your basil leaves, 2 tablespoons of pine nuts or walnuts, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Process everything together until finely minced. Then gradually add a half a cup of olive oil. Then add a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Process one more time, and after that you are all finished. Next, crack 2 eggs in a bowl and beat until smooth. In a pan over medium heat, add your pesto. I recently got this cute little egg pan and I decided to use it for this recipe. After you've added your pesto, you can add your eggs. Then just cook your eggs on each side. After flipping my eggs, I added some Monterey Jack cheese on top and just let it melt with the heat from the eggs. Once you've finished cooking your eggs, you can assemble your sandwich. For my sandwich, I added some mayo, then I added sliced avocados, 2 slices of tomato, some salt and pepper, the eggs, and some bacon. And this is the finished result. The sandwich was delicious, perfect way to start your morning. This is a really quick and easy recipe. Of course, you could always buy pesto from the store, but making it at home is also easy. I'm glad I tried the trend because I've never had pesto before, but after eating it, I really like it. I think I'm gonna make a pasta with the rest of it. Especially since it's pretty easy to make pesto pasta. You just boil the pasta and add the pesto in, with like some additional Parmesan cheese on top, I believe. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!